Most people don't start a YouTube channel. It's just simply because they think they need an expensive thing, expensive gear like camera, lightning, or a full studio. But the truth is, you can start a YouTube channel today with what you already have. In this video, I'll show you the exact equipment you can actually use to start a new YouTube channel, especially if you are a beginner. So if you are new to this YouTube channel, if you are new here, my name is Joseph Yakubu. On this YouTube channel, I talk about YouTube growth, automation, and online businesses, helping beginners start and grow online. Let's go straight into the equipment you really need. So the first thing you really need is a camera. If you don't want to go for a faceless channel, the first and most important equipment is your camera. And honestly, your smartphone is more than enough. This video I'm recording right now is being recorded on a smartphone, and most modern phones shoot in a HD or even 4K quality, which is already good for YouTube. Don't wait until you can afford a big camera gear. Start with what you have. Your phone is enough. Focus on good lighting and clear audio. Beside a window is good for your good lighting or anywhere that sun can enter. Remember, content matter more than camera quality. So number two is a good audio, which is your microphone. This second equipment is audio. People can forgive bad camera gear, but they won't stay for bad sound. Like I've got a comment on my YouTube channel that microphone is my voice is like not sounding good, and I noticed it. Yes, and that's why I went to buy this thing this evening. So if you can get a simple lava microphone, it is affordable, or you can just go with a wireless earpiece or a wired headphone. If you don't have any microphone yet, record in a quiet environment and keep the phone closer to you. That's okay. If you don't have a money to buy any microphone yet, you can just record in a quiet environment, just where you are or where there's no noise. So number three equipment on this thing is lighting. So you don't need expensive light when starting. Natural light from a window works perfectly, as I said it earlier. Beside a window or in front of your house is good. Just face the light. Avoid strong shadow, and your video will look much more professional. Later, you can invest in a ring light or softbox. That one is okay. Number six is a tripod stand or a phone stand. You also need something to keep your camera stable. Shaky video look unprofessional, so use a tripod or even stack book. If you are just starting, you can just put a book behind it, like I'm doing right now. I don't have a tripod, just use something to support it so that your phone can stay steady without shaking. The goal is stability, not perfection. You don't need any expensive tripod or other things. So our next equipment is editing software. The last equipment is editing software. You don't need a laptop immediately. No, you can even edit on your phone. You can edit on your phone using editing apps like CapCut, VN Editor, and the most free one I'm using to edit my video, most of my video, is YouCut. Very free, complete free, no watermark. So editing help you remove mistake and text, cut out noisy or silent parts, and keep viewer engaged. So what you don't need when starting a YouTube channel. So let me just tell you what you don't need when starting a YouTube channel. This is just like a quick recap of a summary of what I've just mentioned all. Number one, expensive camera. Number two, expensive studio. Three, perfect background. Four, thousands of subscribers. That one like comes natural. You don't need perfect subscribers or thousands of subscribers. Perfect background, expensive studio, expensive camera gear, expensive microphone. What you need is consistency and valuable content. If your content delivers value, people appreciate that. So if you want to go on YouTube and learn how to turn your YouTube channel into an online business, um make sure you subscribe and also comment below what type of content you want me to create next, what equipment you are currently using. Just let me know in the comment what equipment you are currently using, whether it's your phone or your laptop. Catch you in the next video. Peace.